Another effective framework for organizational excellence is the continuous improvement model. And this model is often associated with methodologies like Lean and Six Sigma. And this model focuses on ongoing improvements in processes, products, and services to really enhance efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction. The continuous improvement model has 5 key phases. Number 1 is define. Number 2 is measure. Number 3 is analyze. Number 4 is improve. And the 5th and final phase is control. So let me walk you through another story of how I was able to implement the continuous improvement model to drive organizational excellence in a company that I work for. In a previous role at a manufacturing company, we faced significant challenges with product defects that were impacting customer satisfaction and increasing costs. So we decided to utilize the DMAIC framework to really address this issue. Define. We convened a cross-functional team to define the problem clearly. We set a specific goal to reduce product defects from 5% to 2% within 6 months. We also identified the scope of our project, focusing on particular production lines known for higher defect rates. Measure. Next, we collected data on the defect rates over the past year. We categorized defects into types such as material faults, assembly errors, and finishing issues to get a clear picture of where the problem was. And during this phase, we discovered the most common defects was related to assembly errors, accounting for 60% of the total defects. Analyze. Using the data, we conducted a root cause analysis to identify the reason behind assembly errors. We employed tools like fishbone diagram and 5 why techniques. Our analysis revealed that our main contributors to the error was a lack of standard work instructions and inefficient training for new employees. Improve. With this new information, we developed a series of solutions. Standard work instructions, where we created detailed visual work instructions for assembly processes. Enhanced training programs, where we implemented a structured training program for new hires, focused on critical steps in our assembly process. Quality checks. We introduced intermediate quality checks during the assembly process to catch the defects early. We piloted these changes to see the impact on our production lines over the next month, and we gathered the data to understand the effectiveness of these solutions that were implemented. Control. After the pilot, we saw a reduction in defects from 5% to 1.8%, surpassing our initial goal. This ensured these improvements were sustained, and we developed a control plan that included ongoing training for our employees, regular audit checks of assembly processes to ensure adherence with the standardized work, a feedback loop where employees could report challenges and changes and suggestions for improvements. And as a result, after 6 months of implementing the DMAIC framework, we maintained defect rates of 1.9%, which is significantly lower than our original goal of 5%. This improvement led to increased customer satisfaction scores, with fewer complaints from our customers, reduced production costs as rework and scrap rates dropped significantly, enhanced team morale as employees felt empowered and equipped to perform their tasks effectively.